everyone, welcome to Crafts and Drawings. Today we'll be making a paper aeroplane like this. For this we'll be needing one A4 paper. Let's get started with the paper aeroplane now. First we'll have to fold the paper into a half. Next we need to open the paper. There will be a line in the middle. On that line we need to fold these two corners. This tip over here needs to be a bit pointy so that the airplane can fly straight. Now we need to fold both the sides in the line again. Now we need to fold this part like this. Next, we need to open one side of the aeroplane. It will look like this now. Now we need to flip the now we need to flip the paper over and do the exact same thing. Now you now you'll see a line over here. If you need to hold the line with your fingers and then you need to flip it over. Then you'll have your aeroplane. Bye.